G'day guys, Emma here from Big Boots UK, and today we're going to be unboxing the Steel Blue Southern Cross S3 rated safety boots in sand, our best selling colour and style. They come with a 200 jewel steel toe cap, scuff cap to protect against wearing through when kneeling, an industrial zipper that together with the laces makes for a really custom and comfortable fit, plus easy on and off. A padded cutout collar at the back gives you ankle freedom for driving. They're made with a premium water resistant leather and have a penetration and slip resistant sole. They come in black, perfect for electricians, mechanics or those dealing with oil and grease, and slate grey, popular with those in construction. We've just restocked, so if you want a pair, head to bigboots.co.uk to order and to see what our customers say about their experience of Steel Blue boots. Big thanks for supporting our family business.